Welcome to our channel Chemistry with Sir. Students, we are discussing today's topic of hydrocarbon compound. Is containing the lesson of carbon and its compound, lecture number 4. That's come on, let's detail and let's discuss with the new topic of hydrocarbon compound. First one, strike on. What is a hydrocarbon compound? Students, hydrocarbon compound is a containing two types of atoms. First one, homoatoms, and second one, heteroatoms. Homoatoms is main atoms and heteroatoms is like subatom. In homoatom, present of carbon, hydrogen. In heteroatom, present of oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen and halogen. Halogen is a group 17 elements including halogen is fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. And now hydrocarbon compound is divided by two atoms, homoatom and heteroatom. Homoatom is a two, carbon and hydrogen, and heteroatom is made by an oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen and halogen. Both are atom including that's called hydrocarbon compound. Example, C2H6 ethane. Ethane is a hydrocarbon compound. C2H5OH ethanol. Sure, ethanol is a hydrocarbon compound. Both atom including homoatoms and heteroatoms. Propanoic acid. Propanoic acid including homoatom and heteroatom. All are example of hydrocarbon compound. Student, in hydrocarbon compound is divided by in two form. In hydrocarbon compound is divided by in two form. Hydrocarbon compound is divided by in two form. First one, saturated hydrocarbon compound, and another one, unsaturated hydrocarbon compound. Let's try what is a saturated hydrocarbon compound and another what is a unsaturated hydrocarbon compound. Well, we are detailed discussion of saturated hydrocarbon compound and unsaturated hydrocarbon compound. First one, take a screenshot and write down on your file book. Fast, all of students. Okay, I have left the board and we are discussing of saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon compound. Saturated and unsaturated hydrocarbon compound. Hydrocarbon compound divided in two branches. Saturated hydrocarbon compound, another unsaturated hydrocarbon compound. In saturated hydrocarbon compound, carbon is the connect with carbon single bond. What is about? What I said? Carbon is the connect with carbon single bond. Carbon is the connect with carbon single bond. That's called alkane. Carbon is the connect with carbon single bond. Unsaturated compound divided by two phases. Carbon connect with carbon double bond, and further carbon is a connect with carbon triple bond. That's called double bond called alkene, and triple bond called alkyne. What I said? Carbon is a single bond connect with carbon, that's called alkane. Carbon is a double bond with carbon, that's called alkene. Carbon is a triple bond connect with carbon, that's called alkyne. Three of this common formula. Common formula of alkane: CnH2n plus 2. Another alkene common formula CnH2n, and alkyne common formula CnH2n minus 2. Now let's take an example of alkane, alkene and alkyne. Select the n is equal to 2. Now we have select n is equal to 2. Put out value n in formula, that's Cn 2. 2 into 2 plus 2 is equal to C2H6. Here C2H2 into 2, C2H4. Now there C2H2 into 2 minus 2 is equal to C2H2. Now this construction is a C2H6. Number of carbon 1 is equal to meth. Number of carbon 2 is equal to eth. Number of carbon 3 is equal to prop. 4 is equal to but. 5 is equal to pent. 6 is equal to hex. Number of carbon 2, and in alkane suffix is n, that's called ethane. Number of carbon 2, that's called ethene. Number of carbon 2, and bond carbon is connected with 3 carbon, that's called alkyne. Ethine. Example of ethane, ethene and ethine. Now let's discuss the structure of ethane, ethene and ethine. Let's start discuss of alkane compound. Because write an example of ethane. Now discuss the structure of ethane. What I say in alkane, carbon is a connect with carbon single bond. Carbon is a connect with carbon single bond. Now 6 hydrogen divided in 2 part, 3 3 3. Okay. You know carbon valency, you know all of student. Carbon's atomic number is 6, 2, 4. Yeah, 1s2, 2s2, 2p2. Now in outer shell, 4 electron conjugation each other and put out of valency of carbon. Like talking about this carbon, valency. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, done. Second one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both carbon is valency is satisfied, and including all of structure has a shown out a single bond. That's called alkane. That's called alkane. His name is a ethane. Number of carbon 2 and suffix is a N. That's called ethane. And after alkene, we'll show example of C2H4 ethene. Carbon is a connect with carbon, double bond. Carbon is a connect with carbon, double bond. 4 hydrogen divided in 2 parts. First one 2 and last one 2. Now the calculate the valency of carbon. First one this carbon. Put out number 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now the second carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both carbon is satisfied with a carbon and carbon connect with each other double bond. That's called alkene. Suffix is in, number of carbon 2. That's called ethene. Now the last one of alkyne. We are show of the example of C2H2 ethyne. Let's draw the structure of ethyne. Carbon is a connect with carbon, triple bond, and 2 hydrogen divided in 2 parts. First one 1, last one 1. Now we are calculate of valency of carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Discussion of the calculate the valency of second carbon 1, 2, 3 and 4. Both are saturated with each other and with hydrogen. That's called alkyne. That's called alkyne. We are a discussion of hydrocarbon compound. Hydrocarbon compound is separated in 2 forms. First one, saturated hydrocarbon compound, alkane, and now other unsaturated hydrocarbon compound, unsaturated hydrocarbon compound is in diform, alkene and alkyne. All of it present in unsaturated hydrocarbon compound. Now student, we are complete the discussion of hydrocarbon compound in saturated form and unsaturated form. In further lecture, we will discussing of functional group in present in organic compound. Thank you so much all of you watching this video. Now we are meet in new video with new day. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.